Trust Wallet versus Ledger. Which is better? If you're navigating the crypto world, choosing between Trust Wallet and Ledger is crucial. Trust Wallet, a software-based wallet, is designed for users seeking a simple, mobile-first solution for managing crypto assets. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tokens, integrates with decentralized applications, dApps, and is entirely free to use. Its key strength lies in its convenience, offering an intuitive interface, staking options, and the ability to buy, store, and swap cryptocurrencies directly within the app. However, being software-based, it requires a strong emphasis on personal security practices, as your private keys are stored locally on your device. Ledger, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet designed for maximum security, catering to users who prioritize the safekeeping of their digital assets. By keeping your private keys offline, Ledger significantly reduces the risk of hacks. The Ledger Nano X and Nano S Plus models offer compatibility with numerous cryptocurrencies, intuitive setup, and support for apps like Ledger Live to manage your portfolio seamlessly. While the upfront cost of purchasing a Ledger device may deter some, it's an investment in enhanced security for long-term holders or those managing significant crypto investments. So which is better? It depends on your needs. Trust Wallet is perfect for beginners or frequent traders who value flexibility, accessibility, and dApp integration. Its ease of use makes it an excellent choice for managing small to medium crypto portfolios on the go. However, if you're dealing with a substantial amount of assets or are security conscious, Ledger is the superior choice. Its offline storage ensures robust protection against cyber threats, and its hardware durability means you can trust it for years. In summary, Trust Wallet wins on accessibility and ease of use, ideal for users dipping their toes into crypto or engaging with dApps regularly. Ledger, however, is unbeatable for its security-first approach, recommended for serious investors and long-term storage. Ultimately, your choice hinges on whether you value convenience or security more. Whichever you pick, make sure it aligns with your crypto goals and security expectations. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer and why. If this comparison helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert insights into crypto tools and strategies.